How to cancel a Flipkart order after shipped. I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel a Flipkart order after shipped. First, go to the Flipkart website or app and log in to your account. Then, navigate to the My Order section, which you can usually find in your account settings. Next, locate the order you wish to cancel. If it has already been shipped, it will indicate the shipping status. If the option to cancel is still available, you will see a cancel button next to the order. Click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. You may need to select a reason for cancellation. After cancellation, the refund process will be initiated. The time it takes to receive your refund can vary based on your payment method. If the cancellation option is not available, you may need to wait until the item is delivered and then initiate a return instead. Always check Flipkart's policies for the most accurate and updated information.